up off the motherfucking east side. It's the dog that's known as Notorious Dice. Got these monkey tricky hoes make a sacrifice. Tossing hoes like Valentino. Catching the chain so fast and making it dash. Looking around and seeing that where the heat go. Bitch, I already told you ain't no thing to me. You hoes will fuck around and be in danger space, see? Cause a nigga like the DJ or a double RMC is here to do you something terrible, B. And if you ain't for bullshit, you talking, you still sitting. That's why you walk around like a lost kid. You goons trying to feel like you real slick. When push on the shove, you know you're nothing but a dumb bitch getting played straight to the curb. I'm a player from the ACP, and I'm a D.O.G. pimping these hoes easily. And if you thought you get ends, bitch, how you figure? I'm a G-Town Mac, ho. A dog ass nigga.
When they leave you fuck like magic, nah, cause I'm as dirty as a stick. My dick to their lips and piss my name up on their tongue. Kill that hoe shit, before you fuck around and hit the phone. BC, lying to these tricks, saying that you chose, bitch. Really? Silly ass hoochies want the cash for, but all they get is cheap hats, fucked up in their asshole from intro. But you should know I'm a dog nigga, Marvin's J. I'm faithful to bitches. I'm on this song, don't get me wrong, but hoochies. It's simple and plain, I'm only out for the coup. Chillin' Swiss, dice and two, and you know it's left. Yeah, I'm checking, you can call me J or you can call me Deadly Dog.
Be fucking like Dr. Ruth was explaining the pain and the way I'm running game. And all these trick hoes, when they think of it, the way I show the dick and tell them come and get in the back seat or on the road. Bitches hugging and kissing, but I tell them it's only puppy love. And then I start fucking it from the back. A hoe would do anything for a motherfucking Scooby snack. For you bitches that be thinking that you above me, I forget your name, Aaliyah Crunchy and then Nestle. So now bitch don't front, I'ma have your ass saying me out, cause I'm a dog to cunt. With the love shit, girl, don't bother. Fuck please, I'ma bet you hoes a crap collar and keep on making a bitch holler when I'm picking ya and keep on sticking ya. I'm a dog ass nigga.
Like a rodeo, the nigga dicey my game, man. I'm showing no shame, man. I'm treating you funky hoes like a lame, man. Cause I'm quick as pepper hoes and pull her dead off the street. Pulling a dick on out the mouth and nothing dead in the teeth. Cause it's a max, so you might know what's going on. I'm leaving out the jail week to get this pimp on.
Dogging bitches and shit. Yeah, that's the program I'm with. The nigga down already told you that you bitches ain't slick. So stop the scheming. Hope you know you're dreaming. I bet you wanna see drop my dick and then I'm leaving. Dogging all the bitches, pulling down their bridges. Dogging all the hoochies, making them bitches need some stitches. The trainers in effect, that's and J knock the boots. On the chin hat and push some dick in them too.
Now I done already told you I'm a motherfucking dog, and I hate your pussy steaming like the London fog. Because I'm quick to look at a bitch and tell her come and suck my dick. And if the girl try to trip, I bust a motherfucking lip. A nigga like me to the hoes, I ain't a stranger. Be brushing the groupies off on my jock like a painter. When I'm fucking, they get measured on a scale called Richter. The two J.O.E. and Dice are some dog ass